Meaning of GUI.
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 GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It refers to a type of user interface that allows users to interact with digital devices using graphical elements such as icons, windows, buttons, and menus instead of command line interfaces. GUIs are common in modern software applications, operating systems, and mobile devices. They make it easy for non-technical users to navigate and perform tasks on a computer or other digital device. GUIs are widely used because they are intuitive, user-friendly, and efficient.